Greenwald. I'm Eva Bronstein. We're here in beautiful Cartagena, Colombia at the port, at the Parrot Aviary. Listen to the squawking and look at the beautiful birds that are here. Just gorgeous. And this is natural environment for them. This is not a zoo. This is where they hang out, and it feels nice and humid, just like the rainforest. Oh, there we go. Oh, they're kissing. Hear the squawking? Let's see some more. Just stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to show you some more. We're going to walk around. So come with us. Amazing romance travel. When we take you to beautiful Cartagena, Colombia, and all over the world to see everything that's beautiful and wonderful in nature. And culture, history. Call us Amazing Romance Travel, 301-358-6600. Mark at AmazingRomanceTravel.com. And check our wonderful website, AmazingRomanceTravel.com. Enjoy. We sure are.